Understanding Level 3 quotes in the stock market. When navigating the complexities of the stock market, having access to accurate and timely pricing information is crucial for making informed investment decisions. One of the advanced tools available for this purpose is the Level 3 quote. This article delves into what a Level 3 quote is, how it differs from other quote levels, and its applications in trading. What is a Level 3 quote? A Level 3 quote is a type of market data that provides comprehensive pricing information about a security as offered by a trading service. Unlike Levels 1 and 2, which serve more basic functions, Level 3 quotes include real-time bid price, the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for a stock. Ask price, the lowest price a seller is willing to accept. Quote size, the number of shares available at the bid and ask prices. Last trade price, the price at which the most recent trade was executed. Last trade size, the number of shares in the most recent transaction. High and low prices for the day, the maximum and minimum prices reached by the stock on that trading day. Additionally, Level 3 quotes enable registered market makers and institutions to perform functions such as entering quotes, executing orders, and transmitting trading information directly to the market. This availability of detailed market data and execution capability is essential for sophisticated trading strategies, particularly within high-frequency trading environments. Quote levels explained. The U.S. stock market categorizes quotes into 3 distinct levels. Level 1 quotes provide basic information including the highest bid and lowest ask prices with their corresponding sizes. This quote level is what individual investors typically see when they look up stock information. Level 2 quotes offer a more detailed view than Level 1 by including depth of market information, showing the best bid and ask prices across various market makers. This level includes approximately 5 to 10 best bid and offer prices, allowing knowledgeable investors to gauge market sentiment and liquidity more effectively. Level 3 quotes represent the most comprehensive level of market data, providing up to 20 of the best bid and ask prices, and allows market participants to directly input data. This level is primarily used by brokers and market makers to manage and execute trades comprehensively. Applications of Level 3 quotes. Market makers and institutional traders. Market makers, typically registered firms in the Nasdaq exchange, play a critical role in ensuring liquidity in the stock market. They do this by continuously quoting buy and sell prices. With access to Level 3 quotes, market makers can manage their inventories more effectively and efficiently process incoming orders with extensive market data at their disposal. Execution of large block trades. Institutional investors often execute block trades, involving large quantities of shares. The detailed information available through Level 3 quotes allows these investors to execute trades without causing significant price fluctuations that could be detrimental to the transaction's objectives. Utilizing electronic communication networks, ECNs. ECNs are automated platforms that facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. Traders on these platforms can employ reserve and hidden orders. Reserve orders display a limited size to hide the true extent of a trader's total order. Hidden orders enable traders to conceal large orders entirely from the market, enhancing discretion while executing trades. Accessibility of Level 3 quotes. It is essential to note that Level 3 quotes are not available to individual retail investors, they are restricted to registered Nasdaq market makers and institutional traders. Individual investors typically rely on Level 1 quotes displayed on their trading platforms. However, brokers utilize Level 3 quotes behind the scenes to ensure that their clients benefit from the best available prices. Conclusion. In summary, Level 3 quotes represent a vital asset for sophisticated market participants, providing them with an extensive array of data that can inform trading strategies and execution. While most individual investors will only interact with Level 1 quotes, the depth and breadth offered through Level 3 quotes play a crucial role in the efficient functioning of the stock market, ultimately benefiting investors through improved execution and price transparency. Understanding the distinction between these quote levels helps investors appreciate the mechanics of trading better and the tools available to market participants.